ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। So having explained what is pratyaksham in essence, then Acharya explained 4 types of antakarana vrittis, mana buddhi chitta ahankara. Now he is explaining savikalpaka and nirvikalpaka pratyaksham. We are on page 43, third line in Tika. Vaishishtya avagahi jnanam. So savikalpaka jnanam, it was said it is वैशिष्ट्य अवगाहि ज्ञानम यथा घटम अहम जानामि इन टीका तथा त्वम इच्छादावति व्याप्तम इति अत उक्तम तथा त्वम 1 नंबर टिप्पणी वैशिष्ट्य अवगाहि त्वम. If it is said only वैशिष्ट्य अवगाहि and if it's not said ज्ञानम, then वैशिष्ट्य अवगाहित्वम is ativyaptam in ichhadi also, because in ichha also there is some vaishishtya vishayaka jnanam, a vaishishtya vishayaka ichha. When somebody says I have ichha of what? So there is always some visheshana. So ichha is also savikalpaka. So if it is said only vaishishtya vishayaka, there will be ativyapti in ichha. So it is said jnanam iti. तत्वंतु निर्विकल्पके अतिव्याप्तम इति अत उक्तम. तत्वम मीन्स ज्ञानत्वम, second number टिप्पणी. If it was only said ज्ञानत्वम, then ज्ञानत्वम could be there in savikalpaka jnanam as well as nirvikalpaka jnanam. So only jnanatvam, there would be ativyapti in nirvikalpaka jnanam. Only vaishishtya avagahitvam, there would be ativyapti in ichhadi. Therefore both are required. वैशिष्ट्य अवगाहि इति. उदाहरणम आह. यथा, so उदाहरण for वैशिष्ट्य सविकल्पक ज्ञानम is घटम अहम जानामि इत्यादि ज्ञान. In other words, any साधारण ज्ञानम is सविकल्पक ज्ञानम. ओके. घटम अहम जानामि इत्यादि ज्ञानम घट रूप विशेषण विशिष्ट ज्ञान अवगाही ज्ञानत्वात् वैशिष्ट्य अवगाही इत्यर्थः. घट रूप विशेषण विशिष्ट ज्ञान अवगाही ज्ञानत्वात् वैशिष्ट्य अवगाही. Why it is called Vaishishthya Avagahi Jnanam? Ghatamaham Janami. In this Jnanam, Ghatarupa Visheshana Vishishta Jnana Avagahi Jnanam it is. In other words, in that Jnanam, there is a Visheshana whose Jnanam is also there. Ghatarupa Visheshana Vishishta Jnana Avagahi Jnanatvat. So that's why it is called Vaishishthya Avagahi. Means some sambandha is there. Vaishishtyam, in Nyaya they understand it as sambandha. So here also it is with sambandha jnana. Further, nirgato vikalpo yasmat iti nirvikalpakam ityartham abhipretya dvitiyam lakshayati. Nirgato vikalpo yasmat, that from which vikalpa is gone, is nirvikalpakam. इति अर्थम अभिप्रेत्य द्वितीयम लक्षयति. द्वितीय ज्ञानम निर्विकल्पकम तु इन मूलम. निर्विकल्पकम तु संसर्ग अनवगाहि ज्ञानम. So you see, Vaishishthya means sambandha. Sambandha is sansarga. Vaishishthya avagahi jnanam is savikalpaka. Vaishishthya anavagahi jnanam means there where sansarga is not there is called nirvikalpakam. So if you remember that shloka, sansargo va vishishto va, nobody remembers. Sansargo va vishishto va, vakyartho natra sammatah, akhandaikara sattvena vakyartho vidusham matah. So sansarga and vishishta, they both are savikalpaka jnana. Nirvikalpaka is akhandaikara sap pratipadaka jnana. At least I hope now you remember, otherwise in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha it will come. Vakya Vritti it was there. Sri Tika. Nirvikalpakam tu samsarga anavagahi jnanam. Tika. Samsarga means Visheshana Vishesha Sambandho. Vaishishtyam iti yavat. Sansarga or Vaishishthya. Sansarga is sadharana sambandha. Visheshan Visheshya is a Vishesha sambandha is there. Both are sambandha only. Iti yavat. Udaharanamaha. Now drishtanta for nirvikalpa jnanam is yatha soyam devadattaha tattvamasi ityadi vakya janya jnanam is called nirvikalpaka jnanam here. Nirvikalpaka jnanam means the jnanam, according to Vedanta Paribhasha, nirvikalpaka jnanam means jnanam in which vikalpas will not be there. Because Soyam Devadatta gives jnanam of Devadatta devoid of Desha, Kala, Upadhi, etc. Similarly, Tattvamasi, this Vakyajanya Jnanam also gives Jnanam of Chaitanya, devoid of Alpagnatva, Sarvagnatva, Alpashaktitva, Sarvashaktitva, all these. Chaitanya Matra. That's why it is called Nirvikalpakam. सेन टीका यथा देश कालोपलक्षित देवदत्त लक्षणा भेद विषये सोयं देवदत्त इति इंद्रियजन्यैक प्रत्यक्षे सन्निकर्षवशात् उपलक्षक देश कालादेरपि भान संभवात्। देश काल उपलक्षित देवदत्त लक्षणा भेद विषये देवदत्त लक्षण अभेद विषये सो देश काल उपलक्षित देवदत्त लक्षण अभेद विषये सोयम देवदत्त इन दिस इति इंद्रिय जन्य जन्यैक प्रत्यक्षे here he says it is इंद्रिय जन्य ज्ञानम इंद्रिय जन्यैक प्रत्यक्षे सन्निकर्षवशात् उपलक्षक देश कालादेरपि भान संभवात्। शाब्दे तु ज्ञाने बट व्हेन शाब्द ज्ञानम टेक्स प्लेस तात्पर्य विषयस्य एव भान नियमात् and ज्ञानम is of तात्पर्य विषय alone। अभेद मात्र विषयत्वात् शाब्दम एव तद उदाहरणम इति अभिप्रेत्याह वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानम तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानम सोयम देवदत्तः वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानम। So this jnanam is vakyajanya. That jnanam he calls it as pratyaksham, savikalpaka pratyaksham, nirvikalpaka pratyaksham. So nirvikalpaka pratyaksha jnanam is vakyajanya, but he calls it pratyaksha. He doesn't call it shabda jnanam. You understood the difference?
No, sir.
See, I will read that tika portion again. देश काल उपलक्षित, you take soyam devadatta. Soyam devadatta is a vakya. When devadatta is in front of you and somebody is asking who is this person, they say soyam devadatta. So in this desha kal upalakshita devadatta lakshana abhed vishaye tad desha tatkala upalakshita devadatta ayam desha kala upalakshita devadatta. In devadatta lakshana will show abhed. So devadatta lakshana bheda vishaye. सोयम देवदत्त इति ध्यानम सोयम देवदत्त इति इंद्रिय जन्यैक प्रत्यक्षे देयर इज इंद्रिय जन्यत्वम and सन्निकर्षवशात् because that object is in proximity उपलक्षक देश कालादेहे अपि भान संभवात्. If you say it is indriya janya pratyaksha, then desha kala bhanam will be there. Shabde tu jnane, if you say it is shabda jnanam, means vakya janyam. Purvapakshi says shabda, Siddhanti wants to say it is vakya janyam. तात्पर्य विषय से एव भान नियमात् अभेद मात्र विषयत्वात् शाब्दम एव एतद उदाहरणम. Purvapakshi says this is the example for Shabda Jnanam, Siddhanti says it is Vakyajanya Jnanam. But you have to remember, if somebody defines Pratyaksha Jnanam as Indriyartha Sannikarsha-janya Pratyaksha Jnanam, Indriyartha Sannikarsha-janya Jnanam Pratyaksham, if this is how it is defined, Pratyaksha Devadatta will include Etad Desha, Etad Kala. But what is the definition of Pratyaksha here in Vedanta Paribhasha?
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya. Pratyaksha Jnanam is Chaitanya. Then he said, what kind of Chaitanya? Antakarana Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya. And then Vartamanam Yogyam.
Yogyatvam.
So Vartamanatva, Yogyatva is also there. In other words, if Chaitanyam is Pratyaksham, so Tattvamasi Vakya gives knowledge of what? Chaitanyam. Soyam Devadatta. In other words, where there is no Upadhi, Upadhi Rahita Jnanam, he calls here Nirvikalpakam. You see third number Tippani. Nanu Soyam Devadatta iti Aikya Pratyabhijñaya eva Pratyabhijñaya eva Vakya Prayogat Deshadi Upalakshita Devadatta Lakshana Bheda Vishayam Indriya Janya Jnanam api asti Nirvikalpaka Pratyaksham Tad Vihaya Katham Shabdamev Udahriyate iti Ashankam Kritva Paschad Ayam Grantho Yojaniha. First you should have this prashna, then you should read this line, he says. What should be the question? Nanu soyam devadatta iti aikya pratyabhijñaya eva vakya prayogat. Soyam devadatta is pratyabhijñatmaka vakya, where aikya pratyabhijña is there. Vakya prayogat deshadi upalakshita devadatta lakshana bheda vishayam. Deshadi upalakshita, desha kala, other upadhi, upalakshita, devadatta lakshana, abheda vishayam, indriya janya jnanam api asti nirvikalpaka pratyaksham. Indriya janya jnanam also can be nirvikalpaka pratyaksham. This is the question. Then tad vihaya katham shabdam eva udahriyate. Then why you are giving example of shabda jnanam? This is the shanka. So shanka samadhanam is done here. Abheda matra vishayatvat shabdam eva etad udaharanam. Because in nirvikalpaka abhed matra jnanam is given. So it is vakyajanya jnanam, but this vakyajanya jnanam is nirvikalpakam. So in other words, he says this is nirvikalpakam pratyaksham because Chaitanya is pratyaksha. And in that there are no vikalpas. Therefore it is nirvikalpakam. Another example he gives, Prakrishta Prakashas Chandraha. Prakrishta Prakashas Chandraha. Kash Chandraha, when you see, take somebody, small boy, and he says, Kash Chandraha. What is Chandra here in the Akasha? So the answer is given, Prakrishta Prakashaha Chandraha. not prakrishta prakasho yasya sah chandraha. Bahuri is not done. Yaha prakrishta prakashah sah chandraha. That which is prakrishta prakasha is Chandra. That which is Satyam Jnanam Anantam is Brahma. So this he considers as Jnanam Nirvikalpakam. So on this there are further questions. See in Moolam or Tika first. ननु निर्विकल्पक प्रत्यक्षम लक्षयित्वा वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्य तल्लक्ष्यत्व अभिधानम अत्यंत असंगतम. पूर्व पक्षी says or Shishya says, you said you will give nirvikalpaka pratyaksha jnana and then you are giving drishtanta of vakyajanya jnanam. Vakyajanya jnanasya tallakshyatva abhidhanam. This is atyanta asangatam, inappropriate. Iti ashena shankate. Nanu shabdam idam jnanam na pratyaksham indriya ajanyatvat iti chet. Purva Pakshi says this is Shabda Jnanam, Tattvamasi, Prakrishta Prakasha, Chandra, etc. They are not Pratyaksha Jnanam. Why? Because this is Indriya Ajanyatvat. This is not Indriya Janya. Siddhanti will say, we never said Pratyaksha Jnanam is Indriya Janyam. Indriya Janyatvam is not the criteria for Pratyaksha, according to Vedanta. शाब्दज्ञानस्य इंद्रिय अजन्यत्वे अपि निरुक्त प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजक सत्वात्. शाब्द ज्ञानस्य इंद्रियजन्यत्वे अपि. शाब्द ज्ञानम इज नॉट इंद्रियजन्य. दैट इज ओके. शाब्द ज्ञानस्य इंद्रियजन्यत्वे अपि निरुक्त प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजक सत्वात्. सन्निहित विषयक वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्य अपि प्रत्यक्षत्व अभ्युपगमात् न असंगति. निरुक्त मीन्स व्हाट इज उक्तम हियर. प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजक सत्वात्. It has pratyakshatva as prayojaka. Whether in case of Soyam Devadatta or Tattvamasi or Prakrishta Prakasha Chandra, pratyakshatva is a prayojaka. In other words, it becomes a nimitta. It is not indriya janya. Means Chandrama, you Shabda Jnanam is not indriya janya. But in these examples, all the examples which are given here, you have something which becomes nimitta for pratyakshatva. So pratyakshatva prayojaka satvat, that is there. Sannihita vishayaka vakyajanya jnanasyapi pratyakshatva abhipagamat. Sannihita vishayaka vakyajanya jnana. Sannihita vishayaka, a vishaya which is in proximity. Sannihita vishayaka vakya, whether it is Chandrama, Devadatta, चैतन्य whatever विषयक वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्य अपि प्रत्यक्षत्व अभ्युपगमात् न असंगति. Therefore, such jnanam can be called pratyaksham because it is pratyaksha prayojya and sannihita vishaya is there. Iti ashayana aha nahi. So Siddhanti starts by saying na first. Iti chet na. Nahi इंद्रियजन्यत्वम प्रत्यक्षत्वे तंत्र उषितत्वात्. इंद्रियजन्यत्वम alone is or indriyajanyatvam is not the criteria for pratyakshатvam. We have already said this is not the criteria. It is dushita. किंतु योग्य वर्तमान विषयकत्वे सति प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य विषय चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वम् इति उक्तम्. इति उक्तम्. योग्य वर्तमान विषयकत्वे सति प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य विषय चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वम् प्रत्यक्षत्वे तंत्रम्. और प्रत्यक्षत्व व्हाट इज द नियामक? दिस इज द नियामक. योग्य वर्तमान विषयकत्वे सति प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य विषय चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वम्, not indriyajanyatvam. So if this lakshana falls in Soyam Devadatta, he says Soyam Devadatta will be called Pratyaksha Jnana. That he will explain the following sentence. In Tika. इंद्रियजन्यत्वस्य मनोरूप इंद्रियजन्य अनुमित्यादावति व्याप्ति प्रदर्शनेन दूषितत्वात्. If you say indriyajanyatvam, mana is indriya. Manorupa indriyajanya anumiti. Anumanam is also manorupa indriyajanya. Indriyajanya anumityada avati vyapti pradarsanena. So it was shown that there will be ati vyapti in anumiti. It is not pratyaksha. Therefore, that is dushita. Uktam vismritya prachati. So, Purvapakshi forgot that all this. So he says, oh, then what is pratyaksham if it is not indriyajanya? Pruchati. Pruchati, what is the dhatu? What? Pracha. Pruchati dhatu is pracha. How pracha becomes pruchati? What is the sutra?
पाग्रात्मा था
ग्रही ज्या वही व्यधि वष्टि विचति वृक्षति पृच्छति ब्रजति नाम नीति च. What is the sutra? ग्रही ज्या वही व्यधि वष्टि वृक्षति पृच्छति विचति वृक्षति पृच्छति ब्रजति नाम नीति च. In all this there will be some prasarana. Pracha will become pruchati. Gru dhatu will become graha. Jija. Like that, drashtantas are there. Ja vayahanau. Drishtanta is jinaha for ja. ग्रह धातु गृहीतः, गृहीतवान्, गृहीतवान्. And प्रच्छ पृष्ठः, पृष्टवान्, पृच्छति. भ्रस्य, भ्रस्य will become पृष्ठः, भृष्टवान्, भृज्यति. So Purva Pakshi is asking now. Kintu, Kintu means he is, oh, it is not Indriyajanya Jnanam Pratyaksham, then what is it? Like that. So Siddhanti says, Yogya Vartamana, etc. Proktam Smarayati, Siddhanti reminds him. Here also Smru will become Smarayati. This is Nich. Smarati, Smarayati. How? Smarati, Nijanta. Smari, Atidekshika Dhatu will become Smari. Then from Smru, it will become Smara, Achoniti. Yogya, Yogya, Vartamana, etc. That is going to make it Pratyaksha. Yogya Vartamana Vishayakatve Sati Pramana Chaitanyasya Vishaya Chaitanya Abhinnatvam iti uktam. Yadyapi Pramana Chaitanyasya Yogya Vartamana Vishayavachinna Chaitanya Abhinnatvam Purvam uktam. तथापि तत्वे योग्य वर्तमान विषयकत्वे सति प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्याभिन्नत्वे च विशेष अभावात् एवं उत्तम. Even though earlier praman chaitanyasya yogya vartaman vishaya avachinna chaitanyabhinnatvam, this was said, but in that Vishaya Chaitanya Abhinnatve, Tattva means Vishaya Chaitanya Abhinnatve, Yogya Vartamana Vishayakatve Sati, Pramana Chaitanyasya Vishayavachina Chaitanya Abhinnatve Cha, this is Vishesha now added, Vishesha Abhavat Evam Uttam. So this is a new one, which is also given in Tippani number 1. Yogya Vartamana Vishayakatve Sati, Pramana Chaitanyasya Vishaya Chaitanya Abhinnatva. तथा च प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य योग्य वर्तमान विषय अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वं पूर्वमुक्तम इति भाव. And therefore earlier what was said, he just refined it and presented it, but it's not different. That's why it is पूर्वमुक्तम only. प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य योग्य वर्तमान विषय अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वं पूर्वम उक्तम इति भाव. It is already said. तथा च इंद्रियजन्यत्वस्य अप्रयोजकत्वे निरुक्तस्य प्रयोजकत्वे च सति इमं फलितम् इत्याह. And therefore इंद्रियजन्यत्वस्य अप्रयोजकत्वे, in that दृष्टांत, that लक्षण which is given, वर्तमानत्वे सति योग्यत्वे सति प्रमाण चैतन्यस्य विषय चैतन्य अभिन्नत्वं, there is no indriyajanyatva, so indriyajanyatvasya aprayojakatve sati and niruktasya prayojakatve. What is said is prayojaka, not indriyajanyatva. योग्यत्व, वर्तमानत्व, प्रमाण चैतन्य, विषय चैतन्य, अभिन्नत्व, this is the prayojaka for pratyaksha jnanam. प्रयोजकत्वे च सति इमं फलितम, this is the फलितम. तथा च in मूलम सोयम देवदत्त इति वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्य सन्निकृष्ट विषयतया बहिर्निसृत अंतःकरण वृत्ति अभ्युपगमेन देवदत्तावच्छिन्न चैतन्ययोरभेदेन सोयम देवदत्त इति वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वम्. सोयम देवदत्त इति वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्य, दिस वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानम सन्निकृष्ट विषयतया, दिस वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानम हैज सन्निकृष्ट विषय, सन्निकृष्ट विषयतया बहिर्निसृत, सन्निकृष्ट विषय is देवदत्त because ayam is there, so ayam has pratyaksha. सन्निकृष्ट विषयतया, before I proceed, let me tell you something. So there will be some differences from what you have otherwise heard. In every text there is some bheda, okay, some variations. Jiva Brahma Aikya Bheda will not be there. Jagat Mithyatva Bheda will not be there. But some such the Lakshana is made such a Pratyaksham, and he calls cervical. And it is Vakyajanyam that he does in front only Pratyaksha. Soyam Devadatta iti Vakyajanya Jnana Bahirni Vritti Avachinna Chaitanyayor Abhedena. Soyam Devadatta Avachinna Chaitanyayor Abhedena. Devadatta Avachinna Chaitanya, there is Abheda, Abhedena. So it is, there is a Bahir Nisrita Antakarana Vritti that is accepted because Vishaya is in proximity. Sannikrishta Vishayataya Bahir Nisrita Antakarana Vritti Abhyupagamena Devadatta Avachinna Chaitanyayoho Abhedena. Abheda is with what? Abheda is between what and what?
Pramana Chaitanya, Vishaya Chaitanya.
In this line, Pramana Chaitanya and Vishaya Chaitanya. So here, somebody else was giving the answer. Antakarana Vritti and Devadatta. Antakarana Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya and Devadatta Avachinna Chaitanya Yor Abhedena. Between these two there is Abheda. Antakarana Vritti of Chaitra. Vishaya is Devadatta. Abhedena Soyam Devadatta iti Vakyajanya Jnanasya Pratyakshatvam. He is very clear, it is Vakyajanya Jnanam and that Jnanam will be called Pratyaksham. Jnanasya Pratyakshatvam. एवं तत्त्वमसि इत्यादि वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्यापि प्रत्यक्षत्वम् तत्र प्रमातुः एव विषयतया तद उभय अभेदस्य सत्वात्. प्रमातुः एव विषयतया, प्रमातुः विषय. So in this case, it is the Vishaya of Pramata. Pramatuhu Shashti. Pramatureva Vishayataya. Tad Ubhaya Abhedasya. Between the two, there is Abheda. Antakarana Vrittiyavachinna Chaitanya and Pramayavachinna Chaitanya. And therefore it is Pratyaksha Jnanam, he says. See, Tika. So here this topic is complete. Now further some questioning is there. Nanu. एवं लौकिक उदाहरण संभवे अपि वैदिकम न संभवति. लौकिक उदाहरण इज देयर, वैदिक उदाहरण इज नॉट देयर. विज्ञातारमरे केन विजानीयात् इत्यादि श्रुत्या प्रमातुर विषयत्व निरासात्. विज्ञातारम अरे केन विजानीयात्. How will you know this? How will it become pratyaksham? This Chaitanya you are saying is nirvikalpaka pratyaksham. विज्ञातारम अरे केन विजानीयात् इत्यादि श्रुत्या प्रमातुर विषयत्व निरासात्. Pramata does not become Vishaya. तत्पदार्था भिन्नत्वम पदार्थ प्रमातृ चैतन्यस्य विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्यत्व अभावात् निरुक्त प्रयोजकस्य असत्वात् इति आशंक्याः. तत्पदार्थ अभिन्नत्वम पदार्थ प्रमातृ चैतन्यस्य विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्यत्व अभावात्. विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्यत्व is not there. निरुक्त प्रयोजकस्य असत्वात्. This prayojaka that you said, अंतःकरणावच्छिन्न चैतन्य विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्य ऐक्य, that prayojaka is not there. Purvapakshi saying in case of this vakya vignataram are kena vijaniyat, because chaitanya cannot be known. So Tattvamasi Siddhanti said Tattvamasi is pratyaksha. Purvapakshi says Devadatta can be pratyaksha. In laukika udaharana pratyakshatva is sambhava, let us say. Chandra is pratyaksha. But Chaitanya cannot be pratyaksha. Vaidikam na sambhavati. Vaidika drishtanta is not possible. Why? Because of the Shruti, Vignataramare kena vijaniyat ityadi Shrutya, Pramata Chaitanya does not become Vishaya. Pramatuhu Vishayatva Nirasat. Tat Padartha Abhinnatvam Padartha Pramantru Chaitanyasya. Tat Padartha and Tvam Padartha Chaitanya. Chaitanyasya Vishayavachinna Chaitanyatva Abhavat. Tat Padartha and Pramata Chaitanya, they are one. Tat Padartha Abhinnatvam Padartha Pramatra Chaitanyasya Vishayavachinna Chaitanyatva Abhavat. It is Purvapakshi saying it is not Vishayavachinna Chaitanya. And therefore, this Lakshana that you have given, Nirukta Prayojakasya Asatvat, that Lakshana will not go there. Iti Ashankyaha Evam. We already read that. Evam तत्त्वमसि इत्यादि वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्यापि प्रत्यक्षत्वम्. ते भाव तत्र प्रमातुः एव विषयतया तद उभय अभेदस्य सत्वात्. प्रमाता is विषय, it will become प्रमातुः एव विषय. that jnanam will have vishayatva of pramata. It will become vishaya of pramata, and therefore there is abheda, therefore there is no defect. So evamiti तत्वमसि इत्यादि वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानस्यापि सन्निकृष्ट तत्वम पदलक्ष्य विषयतया उक्त वाक्यजन्य अंतःकरण वृत्ति अभ्युपगमेन लक्ष्य चैतन्यस्य वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य अभेदेन प्रत्यक्षत्वम इत्यर्थः. This line and tippani number 1 we will see together in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.